Employment with appropriate wages and working conditions can provide benefits far beyond pay, preventing the negative effects of long-term unemployment on individuals, their families, and communities. I am Lukas Lehner. As part of my ESRC-funded doctoral studies, I collaborated with the Job Centers Agency in Austria to design a randomized controlled trial of a universal job guarantee pilot scheme. The scheme has eliminated long-term unemployment in a municipality in Austria and has helped make program participants happier, more financially secure, and more involved in their community. Launched in 2020 in Marienthal in the Austrian municipality of Neusiedl, the pilot scheme has aimed to bring long-term unemployed people back into employment by guaranteeing a job that paid at least the minimum wage. Every resident who had been unemployed for a year or longer has been eligible for the scheme. I worked with the Job Center Agency to design the job guarantee scheme, making sure that it was informed by the latest evidence. I included key characteristics to give the scheme the best chance of being effective, including voluntary participation, a collectively bargained wage, and an emphasis on meaningful employment.
In den letzten Jahren hat das Arbeitsmarktservice eng mit Lukas zusammengearbeitet. Zum einen im Rahmen des Designs und der Evaluierung der Marienthal Jobgarantie, zum anderen im Rahmen der Ausweitung des Zugangs zu Ausbildungsprogrammen für Arbeitssuchende. Lukas hat eine zentrale Rolle bei der Planung der Jobgarantie gespielt. Sein Fachwissen floss in die Gestaltung des Programms ein, insbesondere zur Ausgestaltung der Freiwilligkeit der Teilnahme, der Höhe der Entlohnung und dem Fokus auf sinnstiftender Beschäftigung.
I also evaluated the impact of the scheme with Professor Maximilian Casey. The evaluation demonstrated that participants were happier, more satisfied, and felt more in control of their lives. Participants had more meaningful interactions with other people, felt more valued, and felt they had more people around them who they could rely on.
Seine Evaluierung hat wichtige Ergebnisse über die Wirksamkeit des Programms erbracht, die für die Entscheidungen über die Zukunft derartiger Maßnahmen von enormer Bedeutung sind.
The evaluation generated rigorous evidence for policymakers to expand the program.
We have seen that many international institutions are now discussing policies, drawing among others on the insights of our pilot and our policy evaluation.
Lukas hat auch einen innovativen Weg vorgeschlagen, um das Interesse und die Teilnahme an Ausbildungsmaßnahmen für Arbeitssuchende zu fördern. Die Bereitstellung von Gutscheinen, die im Rahmen einer Informationskampagne für Ausbildungsprogramme eingelöst werden können. Dies hat die Motivation gesteigert, eine vom AMS angebotene Ausbildung zu absolvieren und die Qualifikationen von Arbeitssuchenden verbessert, um ihnen beim Wiedereinstieg in den Arbeitsmarkt zu helfen.
My research also showed that there is a stigma attached to the training offered by job centers that reduces the willingness of unemployed workers to pursue job training programs. To counter this, I worked with job centers in Austria to design information campaigns to broaden access to training programs for job seekers, which increased training uptake by 20%. To date, over 50,000 job seekers have benefited from the new approach. I look forward to working with other countries that are showing interest in learning from the pilot to further expand the impact from my doctoral research.